As you might know, dogs have very sensitive sense of smell, much better than human beings. With more than 10,000 smell receptors, 125 to 300 million scent glands, while human has around 5 million scent glands. So, trained dogs can sniff out explosives and narcotics. There are thousands of trained dogs have been working in different environments, from airport, military, traffic sensor station, to remote mountainous area, from the hottest weather to the round-year frozen lands, helping security guards, customs services, police officers, soldiers, and farmers all around the world to optimize their job. So, dogs are considered the best companions of humankind. It started with that story happened many years ago, when the dog used to sniff at his owner's breath. The old lady found that something abnormal as the dog continued to do the same actions in consecutive days. Even she hadn't noticed about any changes in her breast before. Then she came to see doctor, and the tumor inside her breast was detected. She underwent lumpectomy, and the removed tumor was breast carcinoma. She thanked her dog for saving her life. Even her pet was not any medical sniffing training course before. So, can dogs smell cancer? Some of studies have shown that dogs can detect many types of cancers in humans. Why they can do that? Like many other diseases, cancers leave specific traces or autosignators in the human's body and bodily secretions. Dogs can detect some substances in very low concentrations, as low as parts trillion, so that makes their noses more sensitive enough to recognize cancer markers in person breath, urine, and blood. How can they do that? Depending on the type of cancer, dogs are able to detect the signature from person's skin, breath, urine, feces, and sweat. What kind of cancer can dogs smell? Medical detection dogs can detect colorectal cancer from people's breath and watery stool. Lung cancer is also recognized by dogs with a high rate of accuracy by smelling patient breath. They can even distinguish people with or without lung cancer. Some studies recorded that the trained dogs can sniff out breast cancer, ovarian cancer, prostate cancer, and pancreatic cancer, even at the early stage, without symptomatic notice. Using 4 trained sniffer dogs to analyze urine samples from patients who have bladder cancer, the researcher found that the dog's specificity in detecting cancer ranged from 56% to 95%. So, can dogs detect other diseases? One research from UK detailing how dogs have ability to alert diabetic owners when the blood sugar levels are too low, hypoglycemia. Some trained canine medical detection can sniff out viruses, bacteria, infection, illnesses. What is the benefit? Using dogs for detecting human cancer diseases has significant benefits as a low-risk and non-invasive method. However, research is still underway, and the effectiveness and reliability of medical detection dogs requires further research. It takes time for training a normal dog to become a specific medical detection dog and needs experienced specialists. Trained dogs limited by their behavior characteristics, relationship with human and environments, and motivations. What is the potential benefit? By mimicking the dog's nose sensitivity, some of the researchers have created devices that may detect cancer. In one clinical trial, the device can analyze more than 1,000 different gases in the breath and 95% accuracy in distinguishing lung cancer patients. With nowadays developed technology in cancer screening and diagnosis, most medical facilities around the world prefer using electronic devices as X-ray, CT scan, MRI, biochemical analysis techniques to detect cancer and other diseases than using a dog. But dogs can sniff out cancer diseases is true, and scientists are still on the way to study more about that. Some days, if suddenly your dog's unusual smell on your body, you shouldn't ignore this and go to see doctor right away. Who knows, your dogs can be the ones saving your lives. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel.